Union government has released additional installment of tax devolution to state governments amounting to 1 lakh crore 9,019 rupees for 28 states including Manipur. The centre will also release a normal monthly devolution for states on 10th of August 2026. This release is in line with the commitment of Government of India to strengthen the finances of states to accelerate their capital and developmental expenditure. Manipur has received 682 crore rupees as tax devolution from centre. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Imphal has thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for the release of advanced tax devolution of rupees 682 crores to Manipur. In a post on social media, Chief Minister Imphal asserted that the timely support will significantly strengthen development initiatives and accelerate the state's progress. He also thanked Centre for its continuous support.